Welcome to DTS Tech Fit. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. What will you learn today? You'll learn about a new feature. You'll learn how to plan class activities using Canva and how to design class activities using the Magic presentation. What is Canva new feature, you may ask? Canva's new feature is an intelligent design tool that enables users to instantly turn their photos, videos, and text into stunning designs with just a click. The feature uses artificial intelligence to analyze the content of images, videos, and text and suggest design elements such as font styles, color schemes, and layouts that best complement your presentation or content. With this feature, users can create professional-looking designs. These are a step-by-step guide on how to use Canva to create your awesome presentations. Now, let's get to it. This is what the homepage of Canva looks like. If you have not signed up yet, what are you waiting for? We will be using the Magic feature, the presentation feature. And as you can see, it just prompts you and give you a step-by-step on how to create your presentations in only a few clicks. The step-by-step guide at the beginning of the video, those are for my readers. Here, this one is just going through the step-by-step. So the guide is just showing you how to use it, and then it will allow you, or it will prompt you. So we're going to click on the try button and we're going to try this for ourselves. We're going to click Magic Design, and then it will take us to a blank presentation. It will then prompt you to just type in a few words describing what your presentation is about. So I've gone ahead and I've typed off screen because I was just in a kerfuffle what my topic will be. Then I will click on enter, and then it will create the presentation. Look at this, it has generated a lot of designs. So all you need to do now is to choose a presentation design. I'm just going to take you through what my presentation will look like. So this is just one of the designs. So I'm just looking to see if I am in awe of this color and this design, and then I will choose the specific design I wish to use. Once you have chosen by scrolling through your many designs, the only thing left to do is to click create my presentation. And once you click that, you are all set. All you need to do now is to edit, change it up to suit you. But look at this, awesome presentation in only few minutes. You can then download this in different formats. Thank you for watching. Well, hold up. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please click on the like, share us out, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the awesome stuff we have here for you. And as you can see here, I am just going through the different slides of my presentation just to see what is needed and what I need to change. See you in my next video. Bye.